welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I want to talk to you about what I have decided is the best wallet ever, and that's this guy. This is the Frenchie Speed Wallet. I challenge you, find a wallet that's better than this. I don't think it exists. I love minimalistic wallets, small wallets that have very easy access to cards and cash, and the Frenchie Speed Wallet, it just beats them all. I've used several different types of wallets over many years, but once I found the Frenchie, I was like, okay, this is it. I'm never going to find anything better than this. This one is a little bit worn, and that's because I've been using this for about 3 years now, or longer than that probably, and still going good. But I wanted to get some different styles and different colors, so I recently picked up another one, and then I got another one. So I also have these two as well. My spouse also has two different ones as well, and that's what's great about these is they come in a lot of different colors, but also different styles. Now, all of mine are the Speed Wallet Mini. There is also a standard size. There's a mini size and a standard size. The mini size, the height is exactly the height of a credit card. And then the standard is just a little bit taller. But I like the mini because, again, I like the most minimalistic wallet, and I think it is the perfect wallet. But if you want one that's a little bit taller, you can get that. Now, these have different features, different styles. I'm going to talk all about the different features. The one that I've had for a long time, orange, my favorite color. What I love is this is a magnetic flap, and it kind of like clips, and that's just for your cash. When you open this up, your cash is right there, and it's so easy to put cash in here and take cash out. I have never seen a wallet that holds cash this well, but also allows you to pull in and out of it so easy. And when I buy a lottery ticket, I stick my lottery ticket in there, it goes in there easy as well. And it just folds over. It's just a brilliant design, and then that magnetic clasp keeps it in place. Then when you need access to your cards, you've got these two tabs here, and you just pull the tab and the cards pop right out. And each space holds about 6 credit cards, depending on the thickness. So you can put the cards, I usually keep like 3 in the front pocket, like the 3 that I use the most, my driver's license and the 2 credit cards I use the most, and then I keep like all my other stuff, my health insurance cards and extra credit cards or whatever in the back pocket, and usually have more closer to the 5 or 6 in that area, which is great. Now, some of these wallets have different features. You have this one. If you look on the back here, it's got this nice little pocket, and that has a little magnetic clasp, and there's a little pocket in there. So you can use that for different things. You use that for coins, or, I mean, you can put whatever you want to in it. I used it a lot when I was traveling in Europe because, you know, for whatever reason, Europeans like dollars that are in coin form. You know, that could be a lot of money. So I was trying to keep like $1 and $2 coins in this pocket when I was traveling in Europe. But there's other versions of these wallets. This is a AirTag version. So they make a special AirTag version, and that has a little pocket on the inside that you can stick an AirTag in. And so that way, if if you lose your wallet, you need to find it, you've got that, or if you walk away from it, leave it somewhere, you'll get notified. Anyway, it's cool. It's got the AirTag just built into it, so it doesn't take a lot of space, but it makes your wallet safer. You can also get it without either one of those things, without the pocket or without the AirTag. So they have a lot of different styles, a lot of different designs, and a lot of different colors. Sometimes different materials. Sometimes they come out with special edition versions of these that are limited. But pretty much anything for anyone. They're for men, they're for women. Again, they have the mini size, they have the standard size, different color leather on the inside. You know, a lot of times you'll have contrasting colors like on the outside versus the inside, which is kind of cool. And they have lots of different combinations of those, sometimes different tab colors, sometimes special design, just so much. So they look great. They're high quality leather. They last, like I said, I've had this one for at least 3 years now. I can't remember exactly, but I've had it for a very long time, and it still works just fine. I just decided to get additional ones. They were on sale, and I was like, hey, yeah, I'm going to pick up another one to have other options. And I wanted to use the AirTag. I wanted to get the AirTag one, so I decided to get one with AirTag. So anyway, excellent wallet. If you are looking for the best wallet money can buy, this company is the company to get it from. It's called Frenchie. Really excellent wallet. The Frenchie Speed Wallet. Highly recommend it. Best wallet on the market, hands down. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about the wallet, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.